we've created an in-home sauna to help.
Thanks for joining us on our channel. Come and meet our family before we get started. My husband's name is Brian and my name's Keely, and we're so glad you're here. This is Leilani, the oldest of the 3 kids we have. And this is Piper, our middle daughter. She's full of spunk. And our youngest is Madeline. And this is our sweet boy Tommy. That makes us the Conley family.
Well, as you can see, it's super steamy in here, and we are trying to loosen up all of the mucus the kids are dealing with, and it's doing a great job. A couple of the things that we do when our family is sick is run the essential oil diffuser. And then the other is make a health boost juice. So it's Baobab, water and apple cider vinegar. Baobab's high in vitamin C. So we're giving those a whirl right now. If you use essential oils, what would you run during this time? We're running an immunity blend, which is got clove, lemon, rosemary, eucalyptus, cinnamon, and that's it. Let me know. So when our kids are sick, we require them to rest as much as possible. They've got the humidifier going, and a box of tissue for them. Unfortunately, Lonnie's cough seems to be getting worse, so we're gonna have to give the doctor a call.
Do you want a cough drop?
Poor baby. Here I am telling you a story about my coffee, and it's not even filming. It took me 3 attempts to make coffee this morning. The first time I put in water but no coffee. Second time, coffee but I forgot the water. Third time I got it right. Now we can have our coffee. Well, it doesn't seem like we're gonna have a healthy day today. Had a teledoc visit this morning, and we have to go pick up a nebulizer machine and get her some help. If it doesn't get better in the next day, we gotta go from there. Madeline, however, is feeling much better, and we are very thankful for that. She's enjoying some almond milk in a cup and some cereal.
Do you need this reminder like I did today? Ephesians 6. Go to it and remind yourself to be strengthened in the Lord and put on the whole armor of God. We need that.
My entire house is dirty right now. But you see even stuff on the hallway floor. This is my real life. Don't like it this way. Baby's room's kind of clean, but my room is clean, and this is our little sanctuary. This is why I stick by making your bed first thing every day, because it gives me a little place of peace and quiet. When the kids are sick, the reality is your home is not going to get fully cleaned. It's just not going to happen. You know, unless your kids are older and they can stay in bed, but when you got littles, it's not going to happen. So having a place where you can come and stop and sit for a second, take a break from the mess, and then go back is such a blessing to me.
Well, we're off to buy more prescriptions and waste more money. No, it's not really a waste. I mean, we're thankful we're able to get it. But our savings has almost been completely drained because of medical stuff, and that is not fun.
Making some cheese shells for Lonnie and I to eat our burgers on. Piper's just gonna have hers on her gluten-free bread. And then we're having kind of a junky meal with some french fries and some burgers. Since I literally always have dishes to do, I'm making everyone share a plate because I'm sick of it. I'm gonna share my horrifying dish situation. This is from dinner last night and today, because I have not had time, and that's really my life. And my dishwasher's small and my sink is small, so it fills up very fast. This is the creepiest thing to me. So she's napping and her eyes are like kind of open. Sometimes they open more or less, and I used to always be like, oh no, she's waking up. And now I've just realized she doesn't sleep with her eyes all the way closed. It trips me out. Just chilling on the couch. Madeline found something dangerous you shouldn't be playing with. Not really, it's a tape dispenser. Dangerous because she'll stick it on everything. Hi. Hi. What's that?
So we're just kind of chilling today. I'm getting what the kids have. I can feel it coming on. My ears are hurting. My throat hurts. I've got a little bit of a cough. We were so blessed in 2020. We did not have to deal with any sicknesses. Our entire family was healthy for the whole year, and it was an incredible blessing. This year, though, that's not our fate, and that's okay, but we would definitely appreciate health again. Especially the baby. It's never fun dealing with the babies for sickness. And see her little bruise on her head? Poor baby. You've just been getting all kinds of beat up, huh? So, I can feel like today I took an hour nap with Madeline. She was laying down. I laid down with her, and I'm super tired again. My body's like feeling it. I'm like, oh, I need to go to sleep again, but that's just not realistic. Pooped.
Okay, so this had me laughing so hard yesterday. She is just loving herself up in the mirror. If you follow us on TikTok, you saw like a little shorter clip of it. But oh my goodness, she was just having the time of her life. And honestly, it's the greatest joy when babies do stuff like this. It just gets you laughing. She was feeling so good for a little while and just having a blast. My carpal tunnels kind of hit full effect of pain, and so time to use my wrist brace. The little kitty came home. He was missing for 2 days, and we were so worried, and he just showed up on our back porch and completely shocked us last night. So we tried a new coffee creamer today. I'm not sure I like it. It's almond milk and protein powder with some Swerve. It's okay, but the pea protein's strong. Tommy, you just love me. You just have to be on me, huh? You just a love bug.
Look at the TV.
Such a sweet boy. You're such a sweet boy, huh?
All the retro
There's your nose.
VHSs and cassette tape players and stuff like that.
You're just
Audio
such a
system,
love bug.
player, everything.
So, if we can treat something in our family naturally, we do. But as some of you know from watching our previous videos, middle daughter has an autoimmune issue and compromised immune system, as well as high reactions to a lot of things. And we were hospitalized 2 weeks ago, and then now our whole family gotten sick. I'm not feeling nearly as bad as I thought I was going to. And my husband hasn't been home, so he's not sick at all. So here are some of the things that we use that we really feel are effective and helpful in our family to getting better. Now, if I have time, which I don't right now, to make elderberry syrup, I will just make it myself. But this is black elderberry syrup for kids. All 3 of my children are taking it right now. Piper has got a cold sore. Hers spread all over her face because she has no immune system, so we are using this. It's just like a knockoff of Breva. Works very well, and it's helped it dry it up and not spread. So we have one in the natural section, one in the medicated. This is an immunity blend essential oil. We run in the diffuser. Love it. Vitamin D3 for our whole family. I can take. Then this is a medicated thing. This is for Piper. We don't really feel that it's actually working, so we're experimenting some with this instead. This is natural calm magnesium, and it seems to be helping with the constipation a lot better. Another jar of silver, just a different type. Claritin, both of my kids have to be on daily, one for asthma, and then the other for her autoimmune to keep the heights down. We attempted this during the day for my oldest to be able to breathe a little bit better. This is the other allergy medicine Piper can take if her hives are out of control. And then we stopped taking this completely because it was just hurting Piper and breaking her out in like hot flashes. So don't recommend that. And then these are the only things that we were taking prior to the sickness. So that just goes to show you how much is going on. So there's 5 like over the counter things that we've been using, and then
7 natural things. Out of these, the ones that they're actually taking are these. So, yep, if you use any of these or you have others that you add in, let me know. Something else that we're doing and using was garlic poultices on the feet with coconut oil. And that I feel like helped the baby so much, and it was literally just some chopped garlic put on a paper towel with some coconut oil and put on the bottom of her foot with a sock over it to hold it in place. And garlic is incredibly strong and wonderful. What I wrote. So Piper is getting ready to write, yep, see where the arrow, this one right here gets copied there, and that one there. Piper is learning how to read a calendar and write the days of the years. And so she's learning the February stuff right now and how to write it out properly. So I just have her copy what I wrote on the papers. And this is a free and affordable way for them to learn. She's struggling with hive issues right now. Her hands are swollen up and her arms and legs and stomach. You can see right here pretty badly what's going on. And this is just the beginning. Poor baby girl. And the bedding for the girls today, because, you know, we don't want them keep their germs on it. Their window is the original window to our house, so it's like 37 years old. And my husband's really hoping and praying he gets a bonus at work this year so we can use that $300 or $400 to get this window replaced. We've been replacing the windows in our house one by one, and it makes a huge difference. These old ones just leak in dirt and sometimes water if a rainstorm comes really heavy. And so we're really hoping that that's going to happen this year, and it'll just make a big difference with the heating and cooling in this room too. I am headed to go measure out an extra flat sheet that we don't use for pillowcases and see how many we can get. So this is pretty much what I do, and this is pre-washed, and I'll cut it, sew it, the end. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pillowcases cut out of that one twin sheet, and I'll sew them as I have time today. Preferably not while the baby is napping, just because the sewing machine is really loud. So right now we're enjoying some watermelon. What did we learn? What did we learn that watermelon has?
I know vitamin C and calcium or something like
Magnesium. What about what other vitamin?
that.
Vitamin
A.
That's right. Do you guys ever look up the content of vitamins in your food when you're eating it? It's kind of a fun way to know what you're getting. Well, I had other plans for this video to show me sewing and show you guys how to make affordable pillowcases. But the exhaustion and sickness seems to be coming on a little bit stronger for me. The congestion's a little bit more and just really tired, which doesn't surprise me because I haven't slept well in probably 2 months. So I'm just gonna rest a little bit. I'm a big believer in letting your body rest when you need it. So that's gonna be all for today. We'll be back on Saturday with our next vlog, and we're looking forward to it. I think that I'll hopefully be feeling better by then, and I'm going to show you guys how I find the healthiest products at the dollar store possible for our family. We need to go and grab a handful of things like body wash and shampoo, and just how I find what is the best bang for my buck, and that's as healthy as possible as well. So we will see you guys next time. Thank you for watching, and if you haven't already and you would like to see more content like daily life, healthy living, dealing with autoimmune disease, household tips, homeschooling tips, please hit the subscribe button. And if you see this video and you like it, give it a thumbs up if you would. See you next time.